Hi everyone, if this is your first time here, you're absolutely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always stopping by. Today I'll be showing you all how to make this delicious coconut rice. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. I'll pour some vegetable oil in a pan and let it heat up. Then I'll add in some cooked goat meat which I have cut into smaller pieces. And I'll be frying it until it's golden brown. At this point, I'll start taking them out of the pan. In a pot, I'll add in some vegetable oil and I'll let it heat up. Then I'll add in some chopped onions and I'll saute for about a minute or two. Then I'll add in the chopped Scorch Bonnet. Then I'll stir it up and I'll let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'll add in the dried catfish and panla. And I'll stir to combine. I'll season with some beef spices, crayfish, and salt. Then I'll stir to combine. I'll let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add in the rinsed basmati rice. Then I'll stir to combine. I'll be toasting this rice for about 3 minutes, and this step is very important as it helps your rice stand apart and come out grainy. Now I'll add in the coconut milk. And I'll stir to combine. Then I'll add in the meat stock. And I'll stir to combine. Since the coconut milk and meat stock is not enough to cook the rice, I'll add in some water. Then stir it up a little. Now cover the pot and let it cook. At this point, the rice is well cooked. Then I'll add the fried goat meat and I'll give it a good mix. And at this point, the rice is ready. This coconut rice tasted so delicious and flavorful. Is this something you would like to try? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!